Hello, welcome to LabAroma. Today I want to talk about monoterpenols. So monoterpenols tend to be a lot more aromatic and less volatile than their parent monoterpenes. So the component in particular I want to discuss today is linalool. So linalool is so common. It's found in so many essential oils, even ones that are not rich in monoterpenols are rich in linalool. So even in some cases they can be as high as 40%. Now today we're going to look at whole wood, which is a beautiful essential oil, and it's 98% monoterpenols, so very high, which means it's also very aromatic. Now linalool itself is an incredibly versatile component, physically and emotionally, so it's brilliant for mood enhancing or mood boosting, wonderful for antidepressant and also to help bring into a sedative state. But it's also physically brilliant. So I would use it a lot for physical conditions, especially things like muscle ache and pain. It's anti-inflammatory and anti-spasmodic, so wonderfully powerful physically and emotionally. So a brilliant versatile oil. How we're going to use it today is in an anti-fatigue aroma stick. So when I'm thinking about fatigue, I'm thinking about two things. The actual physical fatigue as well as the emotional fatigue. And when you're fatigued, it's very hard to keep your spirits high and it's very hard to lift out of that mood you're in. So I really curated this blend to do both, to work on the physical and the emotional level. So we're using quite a complex range of essential oils today. We're going to use Black Spruce, Bergamot Mint, Marjoram, lemon, and then our whole wood. So with the Aroma Stick, I'm going to use 5 drops of my Canadian Black Spruce. I love this oil. It comes from the trunk of the tree, which always makes me feel grounded as well as supported with Black Spruce, and aromatically it's beautiful. Now Bergamot Mint is lovely, and I chose the mint over the straight bergamot because I don't want my fatigue aroma stick to be a citrus party. I don't want it to be too uplifting and brightening. That's not what I want. I want it to be supportive, and Bergamot Mint gives a more complex aroma in this particular recipe over bergamot, which is why I chose it. Then we use marjoram. 2 drops is loads. Marjoram's quite strong, and in an aroma stick I don't like to use too much, but it's brilliant for fatigue. So I'm going to use 2 drops of it. 2 drops of lemon. If you're going to substitute the lemon, don't substitute it for lemongrass. Chemically they're different, and aromatically in this case I just don't think lemongrass will work. And then I'm going to use whole wood, and I'm going to use 2 drops of whole wood. And that is your fatigue aroma stick. So when I make an aroma stick, I make sure to use tweezers, and I always use a bowl like this so I don't miss any oil. I would hate to leave any behind. So when it's all done, I literally take it, pop it into my case, and that's my aroma stick. So try it, let me know if you make any substitutes, and let me know how it goes.